Approaching red light, going straight. But as you can see, there's a green arrow. So if there's a green arrow, even though it's red, you do not stop. Even though it's a red light. If there is no green arrow, then of course you have to stop completely behind the line, then check, then go. Turn your head left and right before you go through. That would be a fail. Remember, you must look left, right, left to go through the lights, even though it's green. Because remember, it was red, now it turns green. Someone could still be running through the red light, even though you have a green light. So the idea is for you to check left, right, left, then go through. Don't assume that it's green, so it's safe. Approaching green lights, going straight, so check left, right,